What's up with y'all? Today, I got my boy here, and he's at my job. If y'all didn't know, there's been a lot of differences and changes since my last upload. I know it's been a while. I promised to make it up to you guys, but we're here at the yard, and my guy, he drove a bit of ways. He's got his RL, and we're gonna be installing something pretty cool. Got the KB1 on the lift. My boy, what we doing today?
Putting the RV6 J-pipe on the RL.
All right, let's get to it. All right, under the whip. I'm not too worried about these first cat bolts right there and right here. I'm mainly worried about these. I might attack those first. On the RL though, it's like the only rust you're gonna find is on the exhaust, because that's the only thing that's not aluminum, like the flanges. Using this, this is a transmission jack, so to say. Use this to like brace the exhaust because there's no hanger here, and once we get that J-pipe off, it's gonna want to fall. Alright, right here, these bolts are like a 12 or a 13. I'm glad the nuts face this way. Gives me more. Oh no, actually I'm wrong. Scratch that. Oh, actually I'm right. I forgot. Deletes the third cat. So yeah, we're unbolting it from here. That is a lot easier than here. Less space. All right, fire in the hole. First. Okay, that was easy. That was too easy. You see, if you have to, put the flash on. This is probably the easiest shit I done ever did right now. Hopefully I don't live to regret that in a couple minutes. You know what I mean?
Let's not speak too soon, dog. Got this back flange off. I'm really relieved. Next, we're gonna go ahead and just unbolt the hanger. I don't have a tool to slip this out, and I'm only okay with doing that right now because, to my knowledge, the J-pipe, the RV6 doesn't even have this hanger right here, so it wouldn't even be used. Hold on to that though. I mean, for if and when you want to get a hanger made. I know Graham, I think he got a hanger made for his. So yeah, but it's just these two bolts. They're both 212s. Boom, and boom, it'll come right out. Alright, actually I'm just using a crowbar now. I'm just gonna slide this rubber hanger off. It's a lot easier than trying to slide past the bolts. Be careful, watch your head. Yeah. Alright, let's go back and re-brace up the back of this exhaust. Let's just slide this shit out, man. Alright, these are 14s, let's see what we get. Yep, that's good. That's loose. And that's good. Let's try these back three. I'm trying to get the hard part out the way first. Because if we are going to fight with a bolt, I want to know now. And that one's going to put up a fight. That one's not. You can just reuse it. Yeah, same here. This last one, I'm gonna probably try to heat it up, hammer a 13 on it, and force it off. Which way is it? Yes, sir. TJ Jimmy Gray in the building. Arms are tired, fellas. All right. Where's my bar? Watch your head. That was almost his head, y'all. He was almost
sucked me out. There we go.
I'll get that other one. Let's compare them. stock J-pipe and third cap. Which version is this, you know, of the RV6? Is it V2 or V2? You guys probably seen it before. Major difference, the diameter of this piping is way bigger. Like, this is probably about 2.5 inches. This is probably like 1 3/4. And then just the flow, the overall diameter. This is a big spot everybody complains about being flattened like this. And as you can see, it doesn't even take on the same like path. The flow is completely different. They all collect back here instead of forcing to collect right here. So more horsepower, more flow. Eliminates the third cap, just uses a flex pipe. And even here too. Look at the exits of the cat. A lot smaller. This is what they call a donut gasket. It's a ring, you know what I'm saying? It's like a gasket. Instead of using a triangle, but that's what we're probably gonna have to use in the kit anyways, because it eliminates that. Overall, the welds look really nice. I'm excited to see how it works. But even more exciting than that, we got open down pipe. We want to hear this thing start.
This thing's about to be stupid loud. That sounds kind of bad. That actually sounds like shit. No, that sounds like shit.
It do though.
It sounds like a Civic.
If you don't know how to, know that this gasket goes here, then I could tell you didn't know how to use puzzles in kindergarten. So one thing with back here with where the third cap was, the hardware, it has studs. This is not so. You use a nut and a stud and a washer on the back end here. There we go. Hold that for me. Put some hardware just to hold it in place right now. That's just for the moment. I know. I'm not really tightening it right now. So hold your horses. Both sides are 17s. It's pretty easy, pretty grade A, first grade level stuff. If you don't know how to do this, give up, You don't have to tighten them too much. They got lock washers on them. It's a little warm in here from your little fun you had. I said in here. I'm not in here, but under here. You guys know what I meant. All right, I got the front flange on. The back one's not lining up, so to say, but just use like a pry bar and kind of wiggle it on, and then it should kind of snap into place. Yeah. As you guys tighten the bolts up, the rest of the bolts that aren't done will kind of fall in line. And this is what I mean by this pipe doesn't have a hanger. For the lower cars, like this part usually scrapes. It hangs lower than everything else in the car. It's my recommendation to get an extra hanger like Graham did, especially for this part of the exhaust. That seems, it hangs lower as well. Let's see if there's a difference. Let me get behind it. Pause. Go ahead. That sounds really nice. Raw, first reaction, what do you think?
Sounds good. I need to take it on the road to really open it up.
Yeah, I like how deep it sounds.
It do sound good.
Yeah. I'll tell you what, it didn't sound that good when you were coming in here. Let's get cleaned up and on the road. Well, alright y'all, that's it for today's video. Nice J-pipe install. I'm happy, you guys are happy. New content. I'm going to promise to keep it up more often this time.